Let's kick things off with the back panel. Lay it flat on a soft surface and screw in 2 cam lock pins. Make sure they are driven in straight and firm. Next, grab your side panels and insert the wooden dowels into the pre-drilled holes as shown. A gentle tap with your palm should seat them perfectly. Now, align those side panels with the back panel. Once they're slotted together, insert the cam locks and give them a half-turn clockwise to lock the joint. Take the metal support rail and position it along the bottom. Secure it tightly using the small screws provided. Carefully slide the thin backboard into the grooves. Ensure it goes all the way down so it's flush with the frame. Time for a bit of hammering. Use the specialized plastic pins to secure the backboard corners. Tap them in gently to avoid damaging the wood. Attach the small metal L-bracket to the upper corner. This little piece adds a lot of structural stability to your desk. Let's prep the drawer. Place the metal slides along the side edges. Check the diagram to make sure the wheels are at the back. Secure the slides using 4 small screws per side. Make sure they're flush against the metal so the drawer glides smoothly later. Starting on the main desk frame, insert wooden dowels into the bottom horizontal crossmember piece. Repeat the process for the top crossmember. These dowels will help align everything perfectly in the next few steps. Grab your large side and bottom panels. Screw in a total of 8 cam lock pins across the surfaces as indicated by the manual. Before we build the unit, screw the cabinet drawer slides into the interior faces of the side panels. Pay close attention to the hole positioning. Bring your cross members and the first interior side panel together, aligning the dowels and pins carefully. Insert the cam locks into the large holes and tighten them up. This forms the core structure of your sideboard unit. Fit the outer side panel onto the frame. This panel also has those drawer slides we installed earlier on its inside face. Screw the mounting plates for the door hinges onto the side panel. Make sure the arrow marked A is pointing the right way. Install 4 more cam lock pins into the top panel of your sideboard assembly. We're getting close to a full unit. Slide the vertical divider into the slots, ensuring it connects firmly with the pins on the bottom and back. Use your screwdriver to lock the cam fasteners inside the unit. Everything should feel very sturdy now. Grab the smaller horizontal support panel and pop 4 wooden dowels into the ends. Fit that horizontal panel into its place between the vertical walls. This acts as a support and a shelf base. Lock it down with the cam fasteners. It's important to keep these tight as you go to prevent wobbling later. Insert the last set of wooden dowels into the top edges of your side assembly. This is for the main desktop connection. Flip your large desktop over. Screw 6 cam lock pins into the pre-drilled holes around the underside of the surface. Now for the big move. With a helper if possible, carefully lower your entire sideboard assembly onto the inverted desktop. Tighten the 6 cam locks inside the frame to permanently bond the desktop to the storage unit. Position the metal leg frame on the opposite side. Use the long bolts and the included Allen key to tighten it down securely. Flip the desk over to its bottom side. Push the plastic glides into the bottom edges of the side panels to protect your flooring. Finish off the underside by applying the felt or plastic covers over any exposed hardware. Your floor will thank you. Flip the desk upright. Angle the drawer in and slide it onto the tracks. Give it a few test glides to make sure it's smooth. Take your cupboard door and screw the main hinge mechanisms into the circular cutouts. Clip the hinges onto the mounting plates inside the sideboard. Use the adjustment screws to get the door perfectly level and even. Push the shelf support pins into the holes at your desired height, then slide your shelves in on top of them. Almost done. Use the white plastic stickers to cover up any visible screw heads for a clean, professional finish. Lastly, pop the plastic cable grommet into the hole in the desktop. Congratulations, your IKEA Mickhe desk is fully assembled.